I'm Eluned Morgan, the First Minister of Wales. When I was appointed, the first thing I did was to undertake a listening tour of the nation because I wanted to know what really matters to the people of this country. You told me that you thought we'd lost touch with the things that really mattered to you, and that's why I've refocused the entire efforts of the government to focus on 4 key things that you told me were your priorities. The number one priority for you, so the number one priority for me, is the NHS. Already, we have 1.5 million people seeing their GP every single month. And the people waiting for 2 years or more for operations have come down by 2/3. And we're putting even more money in to bring those waiting lists down quicker. On top of that, mental health support is much quicker than it used to be. But the best thing of all is that we're paying the people who work in our NHS significantly more money. But it's not just health that you're worried about. You want us to make it easier for you to get around in your communities. And that's why we're just completing one of the largest road building projects in the United Kingdom. And on top of that, 3/4 of rail journeys in Wales today are being made on brand new trains made right here in Wales. More frequent services, better for you all. We know lots of you are still worried about the cost of living, and that's why new jobs and better jobs are really important. One of the things we've done is to speed up investment decisions in Wales. We've rolled out broadband further afield in Wales, speeding that up as well, but we've said yes to lots of new renewable energy powering the next generation of jobs in our communities. You also told me that you wanted more opportunities for yourselves, your communities, and your children. So we've given more money to your local council to improve services. We've made sure that teachers and schools have had more money to improve standards, and we've made sure that every primary school child in Wales gets a hot meal. That's what you get from my Labour government. I listened, I heard, and I am making things happen.